Alright, today I'll be taking us through on how to navigate through our VS Code, how to connect our VS Code with our XAMPP, and how to display the end result of our codes in our browser. Now, if you open our XAMPP, this is the interface of our XAMPP. So, if you go under the module, you see Apache, MySQL, FileZilla, Mercury, Tomcat. For the purpose of front-end programming, we are mainly concerned with Apache for now. And for those of us that we find ourselves in the back-end programming, we'll be using MySQL and the rest of this file. So we need to put on our Apache by clicking on the Start button. Now our Apache is on with green background. Now we need to create a new folder for our project. So that will take us to File Explorer. You click on your File Explorer, you will navigate to local disk. You click on local disk, you will see XAMPP. You open the XAMPP folder and come in. So you will see htdoc. Click on the htdoc. So this is where we'll be creating a folder for folders for our project. If you right click on your mouse, you see new. You will move to folder. Click on the folder. Now we want to give our project a name. Let's call it coding with HMC. And come in. Let's rename it coding with HMC. Coding with multimedia concepts. Now we want to import our project into our VS Code. Click on your VS Code. Now you move to File, click on the file and click on Open Folder. So go to local disk, open it, go to our XAMPP. So you click on the htdoc and select the folder we created earlier on. Just one click and go down here to click on select folder. We are waiting for it to come up. Yes, we've imported our project into our VS Code. Now we want to create a folder inside our project folder. Now you go to the second plus here, click on it. Now we want to create a folder. Now let's name it my first codes. You press enter. Now we want to create a file inside this my first code. Just click this arrow. You need to click on that arrow. It will display it downward. Now just click on the first plus sign here. Now we need to name our file now. Let me call it index.html. Just click on the enter key. Now our file has been created, index.html. The name of our file is index, while the file extension is html. So our browser will use the file extension to know the type of file to display for the user. And now we need to bring some syntax out. Now just press shift 1. Now there is a pop-up. You click on the exclamation mark, the first one, So it brings us this syntax. I'll be explaining this syntax in our subsequent class, but for the purpose for me to display our end result in our browser, that's why I'm bringing it out now. So let me write something. Let me say h1. Let me say welcome to humility media concept. So now I will save my work, click on the file. So go to the save button and press save. There are two ways of saving our work. You come back to here, you can click on the auto save, it will mark it for you. So anything you are typing over here will be automatically saving by itself. Now we need to display this welcome to humility media concept into our browser. In our browser, just click on your browser. Now I'm using Chrome. You can use any browser, Internet Explorer or Opera Mini, Firefox. You can use any browser. So to display our results in our browser, we need to write some code here. Let me say we write localhost / so the name of our project, which is coding with HMC. So you type another /. Now we want to write the name of our folder, which is the folder we created inside the folder name coding with HMC, which is my test codes. Now we need to bring our file name here. Just write / and enter the name of our file, which is index.html. So if you click enter, it will display the end result of our course for us, which is welcome to humility media concept. See you in our next class.